Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to fix iPhone touchscreen not responding on any iPhone. Now to fix this issue, just force restart your iPhone. Now to do that, just press and release the volume up button and the volume down button. Now just press and hold the power button until the screen of your iPhone goes black and the Apple logo appears on the screen. Now once the Apple logo appears on the screen, just release the power button. Now, force restarting your iPhone will fix your issue. But if it did not fix your issue, just make sure that the screen of your iPhone is clean and free from any debris or water. Now, once you clean the screen of your iPhone and if this did not fix your issue either, then disconnect any lightning or USB accessory which is connected to your iPhone through the charging port of your iPhone. If your screen works after removing the accessory, then try using a different outlet, cable, or charger with your iPhone and check if this fixes your issue or not. And if this also did not fix your issue, then you might have a hardware problem with the screen of your iPhone. Just take your iPhone to the nearest service center and they will fix your issue. And this is how you can fix iPhone touchscreen not responding problem on any iPhone. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.